We're at 86 St. Botolph Street. This is intersection of St. Botolph and Fallen Street. It's a great location. It's very central. And there's 7-Eleven at the corner right there. We're going to take a look at one of the studios here. So as you walk in, the studio is down the hall and to the left. So this is the apartment. This nook is perfect for the bed. This window is facing Fallen Street. There is also a closet right here, coat closet. This is good storage, it goes up. And you have gas stove, mini fridge, and here's the bathroom. It's a tub and a shower.